Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm going to show you how to make colorful corn sauté. So this is the melted butter. I'm going to add the corn. So I already had the pan heated up. I added the frozen corn. So I figured give a head start in heating up the corn. Okay, that's heated up the corn pretty much. I'm going to add celery stalk. I already chopped it up. Add that in there. And a beautiful orange pepper. Orange green pepper. Just joking. I'm going to add an orange pepper. Okay. And then I took onions and I sliced it very thinly, and then I broke it all apart. So it's nice thin slices. Put that in there. Looks beautiful. Okay, I'm going to season up a little bit with oregano, chili powder,
and salt.
Okay, that's pretty good. It's pretty much tender. So now I'm going to add tomatoes, fresh tomatoes. You could use canned tomatoes, whatever you want. And then I'm going to use half and half. Now I'm going to let this cook for a couple minutes. Be a great dish for the holidays. Okay, don't forget to subscribe, ring that bell. I hope you come back and see all my great videos.